The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rockwall County in north-central Texas, Hart County in north-central Texas, southeastern Collin County in north-central Texas, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cattle Mills, or 11 miles southwest of Greenville, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tennis ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenville, Commerce, Roy City, Fett, Farmersville, Wolf City, Cattle Mills, Celeste, Campbell, Merritt, Greenville City Lakes, Greenville Club Lake, Levant, Nevada, Josephine, Union Valley, Naylandville, Kingston, Cache, and Centerpoint. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 75 and 109. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.